amount lang. Circular motion. Pack the excess and powder in your test. There you go. Make sure dili yun malampasan ng mga fez. Maliog din ha. Dapat butang ang powder para parehong color sa imong nawong mga beloved. Okay. Another one. Kaya magdili kapantay ang color. Okay, sa nawong. Okay. Circular motion ng yapon. Twing. Okay. So, next. Sana pa. Line. So beautiful, yeah, baby. Oops, another one. Kaya pa kay paas. Dapat taas-taas yun sa tanawon. Kana, i-make sure yun na. Magina itong asset mga Pinoy. And kining white diri. Muna siya sa tunga. Muna siya ang pang-highlight mga everybody. Okay, and... sakit! Ay, kaya salamat. Open na dyan. Di ko pa lipstick on that, guys. Ding, dong, ding. I'm so pretty. Look at me. Alright. I love my face. Selos ka? Ibog ka? For today's video, I will do my mama's makeup. Yay! So let's get started. So I will use this BB cushion and this sponge. BB cushion and sponge, right? So I will do that. I will put it. I will rub it in the nose, in the chin. Yes, chin. And cheek again, and tap all over the face so that it will do that coverage perfectly. Yes. So look at the mirror, mommy. Oh yeah. Let's see the powder. Let's open it. Look, it's bright. I'll use this brush. Let's have some amount and put it on this cheeks and the other side. And the other side again. So, up and chin. And chin again. Roll over the face and roll over the ocean. Look at this brush. It's cool. I love this brush very much. I'm not done yet, so let's brush it. Again, let's continue. It not harshly but gently brush it all over mama's face. Next is blush on. Yes. Yeah, blush on. I'll use the brush. Look at this. It's pink, right? Let's start it. Put it in these cheeks. Yes, to the other side. Gently and harshly. Just kidding. Just gently brush it, right? Yes, gently brush it. Let's brush it. Oh, I love it, honey. I love it, honey. Good job. Lipstick. Yay. Oh, let's try it. Oh, it's pink. Let's put it. Okay, mommy, I pull a little bit. Oh, so right. Your lip is pink now, mommy. Yes, I love your lips. Yes, I will take it that huh? Where's the tissue? Where's the tissue? I will get it. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Yes, that's right. Stay put. Oh yes. A little bit. Yes. Yes, I'm done. Oh, I love it. You're pretty, mommy. Let's move on in the eyes. Yes, I will use this purple shade because I love purple. Yeah, so let's start. Let's take some amount and let's put it on this crease gently and slowly. Yes, because I love you, mommy. Yes. Okay. See, on this side as well. Okay, mommy, you look so fine. You look so great. Trust me with this, mommy. I will perfectly turn you into a model. Alright, mommy, don't move, huh? Because it will cut up. So yes, I will use this brighter color shade in the purple because it's so cute. I will love to use it. Yes. Let's do that on this upper crease. Yes, so that it will blend nicely and perfectly. Just so it. Mommy, I love this color so much. I love this purple so much, very much. And please, 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 don't hate me because I love this creation I do. Oh my gosh, mommy, I love it. You're so pretty. Look at that. I love it. I love it. Please, mommy, please love it too. Don't you ever. Open your eyes, mommy. Oh, good job, good. Eyebrows. Because eyebrows is life. Yeah. I will make your killies on flick, mommy. Are you ready? Because yes, and for your information, killies are sisters, not twins, so it's okay not to make them content. Okay, mommy, see? I love it, darling, my loves. I'm not done yet. Di pa ako tapos sa kilay mo. Yes. Di pa ako tapos. I will make it perfect. Kilay is on flick. Because kilay is life. Yes. So let's move on to this mascara. Maybelline Mascara Hyper Curls. I love this, mommy. Okay, mommy. Okay, mommy, I will do it gently. Don't you worry. You'll be fine, mommy. Don't you worry. Yes? Siguro magpatayo na tayo ng salon, mommy. I'm done! Yay! So, mommy, look at that, mommy. Oh, mommy. I'm so... What is this, mommy? Okay. Oh, it's Johnson's baby powder. Oh, you want me to put it on your face? Okay, I will put it. Oh, yeah. That's wow. Oh my gosh, mommy. You're so perfect. I'm enjoying, mommy. Oh my gosh, mom. I'm sorry. Oh, let's rub it. I will rub it for you, mommy. Don't you worry. I will fix it there. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. You're so cute, mommy. Good job, Mola. Good job. Yes. Good job. Yay. So this is the look I have created. I hope you enjoy it as I did. See you next time, mga loves. Comment down below if you like it. Bye. Love, love. Love, love, love. Mwah. Yes. Bye. Yeah. Bye, everybody. Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane.